Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to share notes on iPhone. First of all, open up the notes in your phone. Once you get into notes, click to create a new note. You can write anything here like hi, how are you? Then tap on share icons from the top of the page. You can share the notes on any social sites available here. Or you can go back to all notes, then tap and hold on the note you want to share. And click to share a note from here. You can also choose the option of collaborate or send a copy. If you choose the collaboration, the person you're forwarding the notes will be able to make changes in it. Otherwise, it will only be readable. After that, click to edit the access. You can choose different options from here. If you provide only invited people, then only people you send the invite will be able to view your notes. Anyone with the link can view your notes. You can also take control of permissions. It's either the person with the invite can make changes or view only. Then you can allow others to invite and tap on Done. Now tap to share the notes with your friends via contact, or you can send it through any other app. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.